last class I have explained about the heat, the term heat, and why heat is considered as a form of energy, the unit of heat, the Celsius unit and the SI unit of heat, okay, and also the relation between the two unit of heat, okay, and also I have explained about the temperature, the definition of temperature. So today we will come to the same point, okay, we will discuss about the four things here. Source of heat, number one is temperature, source of heat, flammable and non-flammable substances, and emission temperature. So these things we will discuss today, okay. Now the first one already I have discussed in the previous class, temperature. It is the degree of hotness and coldness of a body. That means the temperature of a body increases with the increase of heat. When you increase the heat on a body, or when you supply more and more heat, the temperature of that body increases. Likewise, okay, the temperature of the body decreases when it absorbs the heat from that body by the other body. Okay, which means that you take a two body. One is a hotter body, other one is a colder body. Now the hotter body means the heated body, it has got a higher temperature, and colder body, the temperature is very low compared to that of the hotter body. And now these two bodies you bring in contact with each other. Now when you bring in contact, the hotter body will lose the heat and the colder body will start gaining the heat. So that means what is happening is that now the colder body is absorbing the heat from the hotter body and the hotter body start losing the heat. So that means when it loses the heat, the temperature decreases. Okay. So therefore, we can say that the temperature denotes the degree of hotness and the coldness of a body. Okay. And the temperature, the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. It can be written as Kelvin, which is symbolically written as capital letter K, not small letter k. Already I explained you in the class, okay, in class 6 I have already explained why the units are written in a small letter and capital letter. There is a reason of writing the symbols of a unit in small letter and capital letter. You couldn't write, or you cannot write Kelvin in small letter, because this Kelvin is named, the unit of temperature is named after the name of a scientist, Kelvin. Okay. Now the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Now let us come to the sources of heat. Okay. Now the various sources are here. Number one is the sun. Second one is the fire and electricity. So these are the three sources of heat. And sun is a natural and the ultimate source of heat and light. Okay. Already in the previous class I have already explained that. Okay. Now sun is the ultimate source of heat and light. So we get heat as well as light from the sun, and it is a natural source. And other one is a fire. Okay. And this fire was started, that means the people they start using, or they are invented, okay, this fire during the Stone Age, a very long time back. And how the people they made a fire is by striking two stones. When the two stones are struck, okay, the fire was formed. That means the fire they get the fire. So because of the fire, okay, they used to make some tools, okay, weapons. Okay, in olden days, the people doesn't know about agriculture. The people they are not social. Okay, they are nomadic. They used to move from one place to another. They kill the flesh of animals and used to eat. Okay, and to kill the animals, okay, some weapons, some tools are needed. So what they do is that with the help of, after inventing this fire, okay, they melt the metals like iron, copper. And by melting these metals, okay, with the help of this fire, they made tools and weapons to kill the animals for the food. Okay, and these fires are also very useful to keep away from the wild animals, okay, from the enemies. Okay, so that means this fire has been also discovered a very long time back, that is in at the Stone Age. So fire is another source of heat. Likewise, electricity. Okay, we get electricity from water, from the running water, which we call it as hydroelectricity. We get electricity from the atoms, from the nuclear atoms. Okay, which we call it as a nuclear energy, or we get electricity from here also. Okay, so and finally it was realized. Okay, it was realized that the fire is very dangerous. Okay, and it may destroy the life of a people and property. So, and it is very important to know about which substances catches fire easily, which substances do not catch fire. Okay, so this thing should be known here. Okay, so to know that, okay, about the substance, what kind of substance catches fire, or what kind of substance doesn't catch fire. So to know this, we'll come to the next part, that is flammable and non-flammable substances. So flammable substances are those substances which can catches fire at once very easily, because the ignition temperature is very low. Okay, ignition temperature. Okay, now I'll come to that point, ignition temperature. So flammable substances, so all the substance like the kerosene, petrol, diesel, okay, all these are the flammable substances. Even the LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, methane, okay, all these are the flammable substances. Okay, and in order to protect, okay, and where these flammable substances are stored, especially LPG, okay, some fire extinguishers has to be kept there, because the fire extinguishers will help to put out the fire accidentally if it catches fire. Okay. Now these flammable substances are those substances which can catch fire at once, because their initial temperature is very low. Now the other one is here, not flammable, those substances which cannot catch fire. Example, all that iron, metals, okay, stones, ceramics, all these are non-flammable substances, and you can store these non-flammable substance without any precaution or without any fire extinguishers. Also you can store it because it doesn't catch fire. And other one is the ignition temperature. Okay, ignition temperature means a minimum temperature. It is a minimum, very low temperature. Minimum temperature which catches fire easily is called the ignition temperature. That means to catch fire, okay, the temperature should not rise. A very low temperature, even at a very low temperature, it catches fire very easily, which we call it as a ignition temperature. Okay, so in the next class we will come to the thermometer and the descriptions of the characteristics, okay, and the features of thermometer.